Even Costco members don't live by bread alone. So I'm here today at the warehouse in Teterboro, New Jersey, to show you some of the best non-food items that I purchased over the years. Here's the Vision optical counter. Consumers rate Costco's optical department very high, and I've purchased all my glasses here for many, many years. Also bought many big screen TVs here. Costco, of course, sells iPhones, smartphones, Samsung phones, all the different carriers. And there's jewelry, this really expensive stuff. Look at these gemstones. The watches are very inexpensive. Then there's the Versace watch. They have appliances here. Pens galore. Copy paper. Then supply of Scotch tape. Warehouse stocks mattresses. Trimmers. Luggage. Vacuum cleaners. This one. Robot cleaners. Drying rack for your dishes. These beautiful bowls with lids. $15.99. Toasters. Appliances. Air fryers. And what are these? Toaster ovens. So look at this set of dispensers for extra virgin olive oil and vinegar. You get 4 for only $16. I just spoke to a woman who said she saw them on Amazon for about 30 bucks. Have you ever heard of the Duralex glass? They're from France. And there's a great 16-piece set. Looks like you get 8 10.4 fluid ounce glasses and 8 16.9. 8 of these and 8 of those for $26.99. That's pretty good. Animal mugs. I'm not sure about these, but we have so many mugs and coffee cups. I don't really need more. There's no room for more. Complete set of all-cloud cookware. There's another set of Hankels. 3-piece fry pan set for 80 bucks. Fairly pricey. The all-cloud set is $3.50. You get 13 pieces. It probably includes the covers. This is Kirkland Signature. That's the house brand, the private label, Costco's own brand. 12-piece hard anodized cookware. $139.99. Circulon's 13-piece next to it is $229.99. Powerful scissors. Guess for cooking. Cuisinart. Batteries. Kirkland Signature brands available also. Light bulbs and light fixtures. Smoke alarms. Toilets. Toilet seats. Light bulbs. Utility sink. Synthetic oil I buy for my 2010 Toyota Prius, which uses synthetic oil. It's just once a year oil change. I do that at the Toyota dealer, but cars using oil, and so we add it periodically. 6 1-quart bottles for $39.99. Costco has its own brand of synthetic oil. This is the grade we use, OW-20, $32.99. The grade of Mobile One we use, OW-20. So the mobile oil is $6.66 per quart. The Costco equivalent is $3.29 per quart. Quite a big difference. Job pack. Gas pallet pressure washer. So wet dry vacuum. My plants here, Weber grills are available. Look at this monstrosity. $9.99.99. Gas grill. They're for pruning plants. Garden hoses. Stop weeds without chemicals. Mulch. Animal repellent granules. Flower care. Weed preventer. Turf builder. It's got everything you need for your garden here. Books. I don't do much reading, unfortunately. Clothing. Just for kids. Toys. Look at that huge Jeep up there. Power wheels. Puzzles. Handcrafted cards for any occasion. Kick scooter. Kick scooter, $659.99. Cards. These are the spas. I've seen also restaurant gift cards here. Reading glasses. Three readers and one case. 2 movie tickets and a $20 concession card. $39.99 from at AMC. Hello Kitty toys. Foosball, huh? What they call it? I just spoke to 2 Costco employees. They said they don't get a discount when they buy something. Folding wagon. The beach, I guess. Oh. Star Wars toys. Golf clubs. Costco's own brand. Queen size aero bed. $149.99. Now this is something you see in Alaska. I've been to the Costco's in Anchorage, Alaska. Bear spray. Didn't expect to see it here in Teterboro, New Jersey. Maybe it works on muggers. American flags. What do they call these things? Hammock chair? Swinging hammock chair. $49.99. Indoor, outdoor area runs. Exercise bicycles. I had no idea they had any of this stuff. I just go for the food most of the time. Tommy Bahama solar pathway lights, $49.99. You get 6 of them. LED pathway lights, $229.99. All pink flamingo statues, $36.99. You get 2 of those. 160-gallon deck box. I mean, really, how are you supposed to get this thing home? Yeah, I carry the boxes. It's not as big as, what is it, must be, not sure how they do that. Trainer with a bench. $1399.99. Treadmill is $200 off, $799.99. That's only the Costco members though. If you come here with a cash card, you don't get the discount. Dumbbell set, dumbbells, the dumbbells with a stand. More dumbbells. Something called Infinity bicycle, $279.99. It's an inflatable spa, it looks like. There it is over here. Let's see the price. Not sure what these are called. Boogie boards, surfboards. I guess they're not surfboards, but look at this playful little monster. $32.99. Some more over here. $24.99. Hello Kitty. So that's a survey of the stuff you can buy at Costco that has nothing to do with food. I still have to go down to the area where the soaps and shampoos are. Some great items over there as well. Way there, of course, a bouquet of flowers. I buy these for my wife every week or two. Okay, so now we have the Kirkland Signature Bar Soap. Far superior to the Dove version. Much more lather, less money, and it's a larger bar. The bar is 4.5 ounces. The Dove bar is 3.75 ounces. Great Kirkland signature item is the moisture shampoo. This stuff you can only use, just all you need is a little bit. You get a huge amount of lather in your hair. They have conditioner also. I don't use conditioner that often, so Costco has its own body wash, natural citrus, 2-pack, 27 ounces each, $9.99. This coconut milk shampoo is a nice item as well, only $7.99 after $4 off. Enough Q-tips to last you for a while. So pharmacy, I got my booster shot here for free, no waiting, in November. Bunch of dental floss. This Crest mouthwash with fluoride. Costco vitamins, such as this daily multivitamin. They're generally a better buy than the national brands. Here's the mature adult multi, which is $3 off here, $8.29. Other stuff I wanted to show you, but unfortunately a lot of the stuff is in short supply, such as the fiber pills, the Costco's own brand of fiber pills. I haven't seen them in many months. Had to buy a substitute online. Costs more. So, like I said, Costco members don't live by bread alone. And there's so many great things to buy here besides the great food, the many organic selections. Nice and quiet this morning. This is the senior hour. The warehouse in Teterboro opens at 9 Tuesdays and Thursdays for seniors, and then 10 o'clock the rest of the week. So I do have a reusable bag with me. I'm going to pick up a couple of food items that we're out of. Normally come here on Tuesdays to do my food shopping, but today it came for the video, but might as well pick up a few things as well.